Hey there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. When I make these videos, I make them to teach you what I'm learning. Okay, well, because what I've learned really changed my life, and I just want to give back. Okay, now in this episode, I'm going to talk about what the term or phrase "get into the spirit of it" means and how to implement it. Okay, now get into the spirit of it. Okay, what the F does that mean? I've heard it before, but I know I for sure heard about it through Genevieve Beran, okay, one of the students of Thomas Troward. And these are reflections from the chapter getting into the spirit of it, entering into the spirit of it, okay, in the book The Hidden Power by Thomas Troward. Now, when Thomas Troward says entering into the spirit of it, it means going within. Okay, that's why he says spirit. Spirit is non-physical. Entering into the spirit of it means that you enter within and then you visualize the ideal image of it. Now you're in spirit, or the non-physical, for those science buffs here. In the non-physical, in the mental plane, okay, the spiritual plane, you have the image of what you desire, be it a person, place, thing, object, what have you, award. And you see that thing in the ideal, and you connect to the creative principle of all creation. Okay, meaning you connect to all that is, being the non-physical world with the physical world. Just look around you. Everything that you see was once a non-physical thing, was a non-physical pattern, either by a human, conscious being, or God. Okay? The universe. Okay? You connect to that creative principle, okay, that knowledge and understanding, but at the time you're imagining and creating an ideal image so that it manifests, you're connected to it. Okay. I don't know who told you about it. Maybe it was me or somebody else, but the moment you started doing that, you were connecting to the creative principle. Now, always be connected to that creative principle consciously. That's what entering into the spirit of it means. Now let's go with some examples to manifest things, okay? For example, I would actually close my eyes and then see these couches that are in my living room. Okay, I would literally close my eyes and see them, and then I open my eyes and I kind of like still kind of picture the images of them there. Okay? And I would just let it go. I wouldn't care about it. And then now they're here. Same with my fridge. Exactly the same. Oh my God. 2-door, silver, a lot of space. Okay? And I got it. You don't have to worry about the money. If you think logically, you're like, okay, I need $500 for the couches. I need, I don't know, $2,000 for the fridge. I just let the universe take care of it, and they manifest it. Okay? The couches I got for free. The fridge I got for like $40. It was like my cousin. She said she just didn't want it. It's just too much space. So you want it? I'll just sell it to you for $40. Yeah. Now, there's a lot of other things. My truck, my apartment. But these are recent manifestations. Okay? These are recent manifestations. Now, I'm going to manifest something with money pretty soon. Because money just keeps coming to me all the time. Money's always just coming to me now. Okay? Different places, different businesses. But there's a certain amount that I'm looking at right now. And there. I'm just gonna let it go. Just boom, just let it go. So I just did a quick manifestation right now. Okay. So right now, I want you to practice this. Look somewhere in your room, wherever you're at, and imagine something there already, either with your eyes open or your eyes closed. If it's better with your eyes open and you feel like it's there, see something there, and it makes you feel good, then release it and continue on with your day. And then do it again a little later. Okay, you want to do this systematically so that it does happen. I got these couches and this fridge because every time I would come home, I would say it would be nice, it would be nice, it would be nice, because it would make my life a little bit better. Did I need them? No. I have a big old bed, I have chairs, so it seemed redundant, but it would be nice. It would be more comfortable, and that's what the universe wants. The universe wants us to live more comfortably, have more experiences. Okay, so it's good to have more. Okay, it's okay. And it's just that we've been taught not to think that way. Some of us, not all of us, but it's okay. The universe is for expansion and further expression. Okay, as we can see, all plants grow, universe expands, all life grows, and so do we. Okay, so I hope you like this one. Keep practicing, manifesting. Do it systematically, 3 times a day, 4 times a day. Do what works for you. Remember the key. Feel the feelings of it already being there. Feel the feelings of already having it. And in time, that creative principle within will have to project without.